Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Also, I'm sorry I haven't been doing that much special effects lately. It's because I'm still on vacation. It's been so long since I felt latex on my face. Let's take it off. I forgot how to do this. Okay, I think that was so easy. Look at how nasty this looks though. Now I just gotta wash the rest of this off. Your favorite nightmare fuel? And just like that, I am all clean. This is just a little bit painful. Oh boy. Let's see if we can get a satisfying stripe. Oh, okay. I don't know why I'm so amused by this. I took a shower and I am all clean now. And of course, you guys have an amazing day. Well, hello, what's out there? It's time to take this off again. Roblox has so many different parts in it that I couldn't think of anything better than just doing a logo-inspired makeup. And for what it is, I'm really happy with the look. Let's take it off. Ooh, ooh. Ow! That didn't hurt, that was all acting. The tears are also fake. Ready? Watch this, no emotions. Nothing. But we're not done yet. Oh no. I thought it was in my hair for a second. Oof. Now it's just the easy part left. Lovely. This is what I see in my nightmares. This is always my favorite part. Oh, that's clean. I am so easily amused. Oh my god. Okay, please leave my eye. Thank you very much. And for the most part, I am clean. My face is slightly stained pink, but we can deal with it. And well, you guys have an amazing day. It's midnight. I need to take this off. Can I? No, I cannot. I can't. The amount of power I feel right now is indescribable, and I know that once I take this off, I will be a human again, and do I want that? No, I do not. Like, look at her. I want to go to work like this. Can it be Halloween all year round? When is society gonna accept me wearing this type of makeup to work? When? I can't.
Take off my makeup with me. I don't really know exactly what this is, but I feel like it looks cool. Let's get these lash boys off. I guess I'm just gonna start pulling this off. My eye is watering. I look very interesting right now. Let's try to wipe this off. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? If you said that it's time to take this off again, then you would be correct. I am really happy with this makeup, and I am once again really sad to be taking it off, but it is midnight and I need to go to bed. I can't believe I decided to give toothless eyelashes. Also, if you couldn't tell, there's a lot of things on my face, so let's start taking those off. I'll do the small ones first. Yeah, never mind. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I can keep going. Ooh. I feel nothing. Okay, the big mouth. I feel nothing. I feel nothing. Now the nose. It's really funny because if I look up, you can totally tell that it's just on top of my nose, but it's fine. It's an illusion. Shh. Oh, it ripped. It's fine. We got this. Just these little horns. There is latex in my eyebrow, and I don't like that. Nightmare fuel. I am now clean, and my eyebrows are still on. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Honestly though, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. But these horns are so big and heavy that it took so much to glue them onto my face. But that's not important. Let's take them off. Nice. Ooh. Takes so much time to put it on and so little time to take this off. Actually, just kidding. This is probably gonna take like 3 hours for me to wash off. Okay, it's coming off. That's good. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go shower. I feel so much better now. Have a great day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I am so proud of this. I am such a cute banana. Look at me. The peel took me so long to make. And now it's time to peel off the peel. Nice. Peel the banana, peel, ow. Also, yes, I made this piece out of a Waterloo box. DIY queen! I think there's only one way to do this. Maybe not. Okay, I literally do this every day. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, baby hairs. We don't need the eyelash anymore. This breaks my heart. Well, now there's definitely no going back. Nightmare fuel. And I am no longer a banana.
Take off my makeup with me. I literally drew an animal cell on my face. Let's get these contacts out. Let's get these lashes off. Now let's try and get this off. Ow, 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 ow. Hey, now I'm gonna spray it. Let's get rid of the cell. All that beautiful hard work. Let's get the little DNA boys over here. Wow, that's a pretty color. This little Jimmy Neutron situation on my head. Now we're going in with the towel. Let's see if we can get that off. The eyeballs. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, the lighting's really bright. Hello? But yes, it is time to take this off again. Originally, this look was supposed to be like a scary side and a pretty side, but slowly it turned into like heat miser and snow miser, and I don't know how that happened. I better not see any comments about it or I will cry. But now it's time to start learning how to speak Valeria, yes. Contact. Now that I can actually see myself, it doesn't look that bad. I'm just always so hard on myself for no reason. Anyways, I put thread in my hair to like expand the thread. I once again feel like a shoe. A really pretty shoe. Ow. Let's get this over with. Oh no. The gemstones just flew everywhere. Let's do that again. Oh, they just fell. I know you guys need your nightmare fuel. And I forgot to film the last part, but I'm not clean, but I have a different makeup on now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I honestly had a lot of fun with this look, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off. This tongue is way too heavy, so I'm gonna take it off first. Oh. Wait, watch this. I can't even properly smile with the latex on my face. So let's take it off. Okay, ready? Didn't feel that. And of course, how can I leave you without any nightmare fuel? Okay, but can we get a nice satisfying stripe here? I think yes. Okay, one more, then I'm gonna shower. I took a shower and my nose is slightly stained, but other than that, I am all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. You already know. I wasn't sure how this look was gonna turn out, but honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's start with the subscribe button. Nice. Now we gotta take this monstrosity off. Ow! Just kidding, I feel no pain. I'm pretty sure that one ripped out my hair a little bit, but it's okay. Gotta take the lash off too. I literally just washed my hair, so I was trying so hard to not get blood in it. But now we just gotta take off the rest of the makeup. I mean, it's not even that scary. This is kind of a nice ombre. Okay, wait, this is the most satisfying part. And then this side. And I am all clean now, and you guys have an amazing day. Lucky for you, my life is run by liquid latex. I'm assuming you mean the satisfying part is taking it off, so yeah, let's do it. I gotta tell you though, Mr. Krabs was not feeling this one. I was though. I'm sorry, I gotta be quiet though, my siblings are asleep, and I'm not trying to traumatize them any more than they already are. I'm starting with the nose. Brother, I just want to go to sleep. Get off my face. That felt so bad, yet so good. Little holes. And I gotta serve the nightmare fuel. Now wait, this part is really satisfying too. Aw, so clean. I'ma go wash this off. I am now clean and ready to go to bed. But you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with liquid latex in so long. Or it feels like it's been so long. Gotta pluck my feathers, if you know what I mean. I really just have this giant beak on my face. Oh, not anymore. Oh, the liquid latex is still there. No. Just kidding, that was a test. You know, I didn't feel anything. Took me so long to draw, but oh well. Bye-bye. Nightmare fuel. I'm covered in paint, so I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll be right back. I took a shower and I am all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I went to go take some pictures in the bath and now I'm really cold. And still a little bit wet. Honestly, I'm kind of surprised how well my makeup held up in water, cause like, this is paper. With that being said, it should come off pretty easily. Look at this little fin. This is so sad. Taking off makeups that took this long is always so sad. Ow, it's stuck in my hair. This neck piece took so long to make, and now it's gone. There's still latex on my shoulder though. Not anymore. She sells seashells on the seashore. Ow. Adding a third eye to any makeup look is always so much fun. I even painted it white to match the contacts. Little gemstones. Boop, boop. Contacts. Now that I can see, I realized that I completely forgot about the gold foil. So small. Ow. Fun.
It is time to take this makeup off. Let's get these contacts out. Okay, great. Love that. Ow. I heard that if you use tape, that glitter comes off easier, so I'm gonna test that out. Okay. That literally got all of it off. Like before and after. I'm gonna do this side too. Getting the forehead. I think that's pretty good, so now I'm gonna start wiping it off with my makeup towel. Get the lips. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, rainbow glittery kinda spiderweb edition. You know the drill. We gotta get the hair out of the way. Gotta get the lashes. Let's see if these bad boys will come off. Oh! Alright, now we're gonna do the rest of the... Did you really think I was gonna put that on there? Y'all tripping. I was just thirsty. Okay, here we go for real. Okay, period. It's kind of coming off. To the left, to the left. Oof. I'm gonna go wash my face. Bye! Take off my makeup with me, Diamondy Gem Sugar Skull edition. Gotta get rid of the wig. Miley Stewart, is that you? I don't even have to tell you that this took forever. I'm sure you can tell. I'm gonna take off these gems and the lashes. It physically pains me to have to wipe this off. Like, look at the details. My high school art teacher would be so proud of me right now. Using my Makeup Melt by Like Beauty. Use code Cindy for 20% off. Look, I did this with my lips and now I have bottom teeth. Now I'm gonna rub this bad boy in at the speed of light. Oh, wow. Thanks for watching. Get unready with me, Ice Miser, Heat Miser edition. First, I gotta get rid of these contacts. Now I'm taking off the lashes. I painted this one white myself because I didn't know if you're supposed to buy them white or if you can paint them, so I just painted it. I don't exactly know how the best way to do this is, so I'm just gonna go in. I'm literally gray. Why? Why is this happening to me? I don't know how I'm gonna get this paint off my ears, and I put literally acrylic paint in my hair. I don't think that's safe. If this isn't commitment to good quality, I don't know what is. 1 like equals 1 prayer. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching. I look like Patricia McDonald. Take off my makeup with me. I have an appointment at the animal shelter, and I have to be there in literally 5. If I go like this, do you think they would let me take home a cat? They probably would think that I was going to force the cat to have an excruciating life in the circus and train him to jump through hoops and stuff with little to no compensation. Or they would just call the cops and then put up a most wanted sign in front of the shelter. Regardless, I'm not really trying to find out. So today I decided to cosplay as your ex, and no, that was not your sign to text him. Aren't these contacts sick? They're like clocks. Really small clocks. Speaking of clocks, do you know what time it is? It's time for you to stop scrolling on TikTok and get out of bed and maybe, I don't know, clean your room, do the dishes, do that homework you've been putting off. I'm just trying to keep you thriving, queen. So you won't end up like this. Bye, I'm going to the shelter. Comment if you think I should get a cat.